In this video, we're now going to go ahead and create our chat main such that when we click on this chat, we can be redirected to the main conversation so we can start chatting with our users. So for that, we can go back to our code. In here, let's type PHP artisan make Livewire chat dot main. Make this inline. Click enter. It's going to create a main. Go ahead and open this file. In here, it's pretty much going to be almost the same as this one, but we're just going to change a few things. So here, let's just copy this render method in the index and paste it inside the main. Here in the main, we're going to remove this div inside the main element here, right there, and here we're going to import the chat component later. Alright, now for this, we're just going to change a few CSS, since when we're here, just here in the main, remove this grid. Yes, and then in here, let's add something like hidden large flex, because here if I reduce the size of this page, you see that it's just going to remain this chat list and the other one is going to disappear, like it's gone. So now for our main, we want such that when we reduce the size, we're only going to remain with the chat, like with the messages, and then remove this one. So that's the purpose of changing this here from flex. I'm going to show this always on this page. So now, how do we redirect to this page? We can go ahead and open our web. And here you can simply just copy this. And here in the chat, add / chat as a parameter. I'm going to pass an ID here. Here, let's import the main. This one, make sure here it says app livewire chat main. Here it's going to be chat.main. Now let's go to the sidebar. Here in our resources, views livewire components. In here, for example, if we refresh this page, here let's say I click on this one and then I go to be redirected to use chat 1. You see here it's been redirected, but this is not shrinking as before. Right, so let's go ahead now and actually shrink this. Here, if just for visual, here in our sidebar, yes, request route is chat and it's true. Let's copy this. Let's add or request route is chat dot main. It's going to be true for both. We only want one to be true. So here, if we refresh, you see that it's now shrinking like before. And one small thing, guys, but not really important. You need to make sure you change this height to 7. Also here, 7 for the home, just to make it a little bit bigger. Okay, awesome. Now, one last thing is that in here in the main, we're going to import something in the future. So here it's going to be here messages. But for now, it's nothing. But just to show you that we're actually on a different page, I added these messages, and then when I click here on the messages, we're right here. We're going to be directed to the main chat list. You see, it has changed here. So I think that's it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.